Alright everyone, welcome back to Best Tendency. Today we're diving deep into the waters with a full review of the Intex 68309 EP Excursion Pro K2 Inflatable Kayak Set. If you're searching for the best inflatable kayak that's easy to transport and won't break the bank, you've come to the right place. Let's unpack what this two-person beauty has to offer. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and purchase link in the description below. First impressions? The Intex Excursion Pro K2 screams durability. Built with SuperTough 3-ply laminate PVC, this kayak feels robust, promising excellent resistance against abrasions and the harsh sun. This tough construction also allows for high-pressure inflation, giving it impressive rigidity and stability out on the water, whether you're exploring calm lakes, gentle rivers, or even venturing into the ocean on a calm day. Speaking of stability, this kayak boasts two removable skegs. These are fantastic for enhancing maneuverability in both deep and shallow waters. Whether you're navigating tight turns or cruising in a straight line, the K2 offers good control. Now let's talk features. This set comes with everything you need to get started. You get two comfortable and adjustable bucket seats, perfect for solo or tandem adventures. The included Deluxe 86-inch kayak paddles are lightweight and do the job well. And for those who love to fish, you'll appreciate the two detachable fishing rod holders. There's even an adjustable mount for your GoPro and phone, so you can capture all your on-water action. Storage is another big plus. There's ample space in the bow and stern to stash your gear for a day trip. Plus, the stainless steel D-rings provide secure tie-down points for dry bags and other essentials. With a generous 400 pounds weight capacity, you can easily bring along a friend and your gear. Portability is where inflatable kayaks truly shine, and the Intex Excursion Pro K2 is no exception. When deflated, it folds down neatly into the included carry bag, making transportation and storage incredibly convenient. Forget struggling with roof racks, this kayak can easily fit in your car trunk. Setup is also a breeze, taking just around 10 to 15 minutes with the included high-output air pump. Now, let's address some potential downsides because no product is perfect. Some users have reported issues with leaks, particularly around the valves. While the majority of users find it sturdy and reliable, it's something to be aware of. Also, a few users mentioned that the fishing rod holders might be positioned in a way that could be uncomfortable for the person in the back. So why is the Intex Excursion Pro K2 unique? It strikes an excellent balance between affordability, durability, and features. It's a fantastic entry-level option for beginners looking to explore the joys of kayaking on various water terrains, from lakes to calmer parts of the ocean. It's also a top choice for those needing a portable and space-saving solution. In conclusion, the Intex 68309 EP Excursion Pro K2 is a best inflatable kayak contender for its robust build, thoughtful features, and ease of use. While there are some reported quality control issues with leaks, the overwhelmingly positive customer feedback highlights its excellent value. If you're looking for a versatile fishing kayak or a fun two-person kayak for leisurely paddles on rivers and lakes, this could be the perfect fit for your adventures. Make sure to check out the links in the description for the latest price and availability. Thanks for watching, and happy paddling! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews.